shooting Mardani 3. So going to get to you guys Mardani 3 very soon in February. So I have to go and prep. So wish me all the luck.
ये जो लड़कियां यहाँ पे हमारे सामने खड़ी हैं, यहाँ पे बैठी हैं, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी, मैं कहूँगी कि ये these really are super girls. And there's no message. There's no message. Just go out, have a fabulous Christmas, have a wonderful New Year. Just like enjoy the Christmas and enjoy the cheer and be happy, guys, because being happy is really, really important as well. Exams are important, studies are important, everything else is important, but being happy also really, really matters.
Firstly, Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you have your secret Santas who are going to give you these amazing gifts. I'm also looking forward to my gift from Secret Santa. But a happy new year to all of you all. 2025 was fabulous and I think 2026 is going to be even better. So to all you girls, study hard, give amazing exams and keep going stronger and stronger in every path in your lives. Be strong, be committed to what you guys are doing because sometimes the path can be tough, but keep the perseverance going and you will always, always have success forward. Lots of love to you. And I would like to say that right now I'm in the midst of shooting Mardani 3. So going to get to you guys Mardani 3 very soon in February. So I have to go and prep. So wish me all the luck. Thank you.
All the best with Mardani. And thank you for playing roles beyond princesses. Actually, to both of you, आप लोग दोनों ने ही हमें.
Hello, hi. I'm so happy to hear this much screaming and all that. Love it, love it. I'm so happy to be here. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है Supergirls of Tomorrow, but I believe that they are Supergirls of today. All of you are Supergirls of today. Today, आज, बिल्कुल. और I think that I'm very, very proud to be here. I'm very proud to be here to distribute these scholarships, to see all of you all, and super happy about it. Thank you so much for being here, for cheering, for everything. Thank you.
Thank you, Kajol ji. And I would request Amruta ji to please say a few words.
Good evening, girls. How's the जोश? बस इतना ही जोश है और जोश चाहिए आप में क्योंकि आपका फ्यूचर, आपके घर का फ्यूचर, अपनी सोसाइटी का फ्यूचर और देश का फ्यूचर किस पे आधारित है? आप पे. So how's the जोश? Yes. And I'm thankful to Bhamla Foundation and everyone present here, Kajol ji, Sujay ji, ma'am, and everyone here. कि ये लोग भी आपके सपोर्ट में हैं. वी ऑल आर बिहाइंड यू. तो इतना ही आपको कहूंगी, आपके पास सबके पास पंख है, रिसोर्सेज है, एंड वील मेक श्योर दे रीच अप टू यू. जो रिसोर्सेज है तो आपको क्या करना है? बस एक उड़ान भरनी है और वो उड़ान भरना आपके लिए जरूरी है, खुद के लिए, खुद के सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए, फॉर योर ओन हैप्पीनेस, फॉर आवर ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट. सो बेस्ट ऑफ यू गर्ल्स and see you soon. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Hi girls. It's so wonderful to see you all screaming. Looking at you all. Actually, you guys are reminding me of school. My school days. In fact, when I entered today and I saw the band playing, it took me back to my school days when I used to be playing the flute. So a big round of applause to all the girls who were playing the band. And they did such a fabulous job. So superb girls, they're right there outside. I hope you can send the message to them that they were outstanding. So yes, school days have always been, I think they are the most amazing days for any individual because they are always playful, they are energetic, they're innocent, you know, the innocent days where we would just feel that the biggest burden on our heads were exams. There was no other thing more taxing than exams, and everything else I think our parents took care of. But yes, school days are days that will never come back. So I just want to tell you all, enjoy it while it lasts, because the friendships that you make here are going to be there for lifelong. So keep your friends close. Take all the learnings from your teachers, because they are going to be the most important pillars in your life to actually make you who you're going to be tomorrow. And this whole thing of Super Girls of Tomorrow is a great initiative, I think, because women are the most important and integral part of our society. And I'm so happy that you guys are doing this. And thank you so much for giving me this award and honoring me, because through my work in cinema, I like to play powerful, fiercely independent women who shatter glass ceilings. So yes, this is for all you girls. I love you and I'll continue doing what I'm doing.
I don't think anybody enjoys school, but it's necessary और ज़रूरत है. मुझे लगता है कि जो आप स्कूल में सीखते हो वो पढ़ाई से बहुत बढ़ के बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें होती है. आप दोस्त बनाते हो, आप रिश्ते बनाते हो, आप सीखते हो कि सोसाइटी में कैसे मिक्स होना है. एंड आई थिंक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑफ ऑल, you learn how to gain confidence with other people around you. You are not only one person in one family. You learn that everybody around you has different problems, different issues, and you're one of the many. So I think school really does that. And my school was boring, I have to say, but I loved every bit of it. And like I say, I love to read. And the one thing that school did not do was kill my curiosity. Amazing. So I think that I think I would tell all of you girls today that please read. Please read. किताबें उठाओ, कोई भी भाषा में उठाओ, लेकिन कोई भी ये एक चीज़ जो है, ये एक स्किल है जो आपको हमेशा हमेशा के लिए हर किसी जो whichever field you pick to work in, to be in, whether you're a wife, whether you're a working woman, whether you are the president of, whether you are the next president of the country.
Yeah.
So I think that reading is one of those things that will help you in each and every aspect of your life. So I know it sounds tedious, but you start with one page today, one chapter tomorrow, and a book at the end of the month.
That's amazing. Basically, Kajol for president. Children, it is going to be that. I definitely want to ask you sorry, what were you saying?
No, I think ये जो लड़कियां यहाँ पे हमारे सामने खड़ी हैं, यहाँ पे बैठी हैं, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी, मैं कहूँगी कि ये these really are super girls. These are super girls of today and tomorrow. So their possibility is limitless. और मैं इतना ही कहूँगी कि जो आप सोचते हो, आप उससे कहीं ज़्यादा बड़े हो और बड़े हो सकते हो. I think they're both causes that make sense to us, that we stand for. I've always been a proponent of children's education. I believe that education is an integral part of our country, and I think that's where we as a country, somewhere down the line, when we educate our country, we're taking our country one notch higher, if not 10 notches higher. And that is our future that is sitting in front of us. So yes, it's a cause that I firmly believe in.
Is there one thing that you know education has definitely done for you जो आप हमें एक story सुना सकते हैं?
I think I've said it. I think that education is one of those things that is such a, if you are not educated, you will never understand the way the mind works. And that's one thing that I can definitely say that education has given me. It's given me confidence to stand up and talk about what I want to do in life, to say it to a wider variety of such a wider variety of jobs, everything in particular. So I think education is very, very necessary. I wouldn't say it's an option really. It's a necessity.
All right, I'm going to do a quick rapid fire with Kajol और आप लोग notes बनाइए, okay? Yes? All right, let's go. One book you would want to recommend to the girls?
One book I would want to recommend. Well, I think if you're starting out, I think you all can start out with the Maluha series from Amish. I think that's in Hindi and in English. So I think that's a good starter book to start up with.
One skill every girl should have apart from studies or learn apart from studies.
One skill every girl should have. I think confidence. Confidence is confidence. If you're confident, your skill can be learned, or you can fake it. One of the two.
Because confidence, it's true. One thing you wish someone had told you जब आप school में थी?
One thing that I wish somebody had told me was that learning something, education is not the only way to learn something. So, yeah, I wish somebody had told me that before I left school.
Favorite school का subject कौन सा था? Let me guess. Reading, English, you know? Maths में कैसे थे?
I was good.
Yes. All right. Your favorite teacher, you still remember?
I do actually. She was my English teacher, as we can say. But yeah, she was my English literature teacher, and she was amazing because she was one of the few teachers that I found who actually. And by the way, let me tell you, even I studied in a convent. Just FYI.
Perfect.
Yeah, I was in St. Joseph's Convent myself, so I'm a convent girl.
So am I. Everyone convent school. Yes, rocks. All right.
So yeah, so we had a teacher, we had an English literature teacher who was one of those teachers, very few teachers in today's day and time, I would say, or at any point in time, who was able to teach me without threatening me, without killing my spirit or my curiosity, and made a friend of me, and at the same time made me respect her. So I think, yeah, I'll always be grateful to her for making me understand what a good teacher is.
Thank you for speaking so beautifully, Kajol. You make me want to go back to school. All right, and finally, one dream you still have for yourself. One dream you still have for yourself, or has everything
I have
come
lots
true?
of dreams. I have lots of dreams. I don't know whether they'll ever become reality, to be very honest, but I have lots of dreams. Really, my one dream really is to run a school. I would love to run a school. I would love to open a school of my own. Yes, so I would love to do that. Yeah, I would.